Before we dive into inquiries, it's important to note that we've separated inquiries and deals on purpose to create separate swim lanes and clean prospect reports, helping to keep leasing calls as efficient and productive as possible. Once you land on the inquiry overview page, you have an immediate snapshot of the high-level analytics across your portfolio. At a glance, you can see the top 5 industries of prospective tenants who are requesting space, as well as top 5 locations, and the average square footage requested. These key analytics give ownership groups the ability to make data-driven decisions to strategically position their assets. Your inquiry tracker becomes a leading indicator for the activity on your properties, giving you predictability and insight into future revenue. You now have unique visibility into current and historical inquiry data, allowing you to make real-time decisions across your portfolio. Filtering is a consistent theme throughout all pages in Dottid, so you can quickly surface the relevant information you need. At any time, you can drill down by market, portfolio, or property. At Dottid, we go macro to micro, so you have the ability to get as high level or as granular as you would like. Adding an inquiry is a simple 3-step process. 1. Tenant name. 2. Tenant details. And 3. Properties. Once you click Save, it goes to the top of your inquiry list. Broker adoption is seamless due to the simple and intuitive nature of our platform. Once you've added in all the relevant information regarding the tenant, you hit Next and add the tenant specifications. 12,000 square feet. They want to move in the beginning of next year, and they're considering options in downtown Dallas. The tenant wants to be on the 10th floor or higher, so you log this info as well to ensure the key data is viewable by ownership so they can make strategic decisions. Next, you'll select the properties that this specific tenant may be interested in. Then, you will click Save. Now the tenant has been added. The 2 properties that you've chosen for them are associated with their inquiry, and you can see all the tenant insights you've collected on them. So if you go back to the inquiries page, you will see that they're at the top of your list, along with the rest of the inquiries you have access to across your portfolio. Now, you get a call back from the tenant rep, and she says that the tenant is no longer interested in Cole Place. No problem. Simply click the trash can icon and log why they're not interested in this specific property. Maybe they don't like the amenities, or they don't like the parking at the building. You can submit that note, and it will all be inactivated. You've now captured key tenant insights into why the tenant passed on the property. This data will help ownership and asset management make more informed decisions tied to that property in the future to enhance the leasability of the asset. The tenant rep now tells you that the tenant is interested in Cole Place and would like to move forward with a tour. Perfect. You then click the Create Deal button. Now you can select the suites they will be touring that will give them the square footage they're looking for. Next, you can select the task template that you want to use to complete the deal. These templates are fully customizable based on your ideal internal workflow process. We understand that user adoption is critical, and current users have found our platform to be valuable in enhancing lease velocity across their entire portfolio.